I hope you guys are ready for some more square body goodness, because in this video, we're going to be finishing up our caliper install and running some brake lines.
When I let you go, I just pulled you closer. I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure. It's a long departure. Before I see you again, before it all makes sense, but I can't hold you back. And I still don't understand where it came from, but you're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm back in, I gotta have it. Everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure.
If you're new here and you want to be a part of the Dix4x4.com garage family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that like button. We did run into a couple of problems, so I'll go over them with you here. The caliper seemed to be a little bit tight on the outer pad, so what I ended up having to do on the driver's side especially is I just went ahead and took the shim off. I was able to turn it before I took the shim out, but I wanted to take the shim out just to get that, just to make sure there's that little extra bit, and it does spin a lot freer now. So if there's some pad rubbage, I'm not really sweating it. It'll burn in, but I didn't want there to be too much, and so I figured taking that out will give me just enough clearance to make it all work. On the passenger side, everything seemed to be pretty smooth on that side, so I wasn't really sweating it. I did take the shim out on that side as well. I routed the brake lines, but I got them a little bit long, and I guess I'm okay with that, because if I decide to like jack the truck up or something, I have a little extra brake line. But anyways, it's not too bad. So what I think I'm gonna do is I might move that mount so it's kind of clocked more towards the passenger side. I may clock it more towards the middle, and that way they're both an even run, and then it'll look a little better, because there's a lot of extra length on the passenger side. But overall, it's gonna work out. I don't really see any problems with anything. I'm not gonna wheel this truck, so I don't really foresee the brake line getting hung up on anything. So I'll we'll work it once we get everything hooked up and ready to go. Then we'll just kind of tweak things and make things better. Stick around for the next video, where we're going to be installing our 4-wheel disc brake proportionate valve up front, installing a new master cylinder, brake booster, and finishing up this brake line stuff.